So put your gun down, police department! Police department! Put your gun down!
Police officers respond to a call about an angry man disturbing the peace in the neighborhood. Officers arrive the location, but what happens next is completely unbelievable.
Jackson Police Department! I hear like a male screaming, but I can't tell if it's coming from around back or up here. But just be aware, there's some staircases right there. So, you ready? Jackson Police Department!
Jackson Police Department!
Is anybody in here?
Very TV.
So I hear a male screaming.
Police Department! Hey, I'm gonna go right here.
I got you.
Clear. I'll go in. Police Department!
I don't know if someone fell, maybe?
I don't know, we'll clear this down here. Police Department!
Just clear the door back there.
I don't know where this goes to.
We got some stairs and some guys over here.
Police Department! Clear. Got where?
Some stairs and guns right
I'm
there.
gonna go right here right quick to clear this.
We got 2 sets of stairs.
Bathroom clear. Garage is up.
I heard a male screaming. I'm gonna do them stairs first.
We'll go up here.
Alright.
Got guns.
Police
Department! Ooh, it's locked. We might go the other way.
It's what?
It's locked. I mean, it's closed up there.
It's locked.
Huh? I don't know if it's locked or not.
Someone's locked over there.
Police Department!
I'm not going crazy. I heard a man screaming. Like they were in pain.
Police Department!
What? Who is it?
Oh!
Hey! You in my house?
Hey! Go ahead and start the counting. Go ahead and start the counting. Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
I will kill you! You get out of my house! This is
Put your gun down!
Lucas, I'm stuck in the bathroom.
Got a shot at it.
Be the Waits residence, first residence on the right, across.
506 Temple. I saw that! 218! 218!
Public radio. Lucas, where you at?
Where's he at? So put your gun down, police department! Police department! Police department! Put your gun down! Put your gun down!
Take cover, Lucas. Stand by.
At
172 Fox Hollywood Drive.
Take cover.